Hey guys, too excited to do no intro, but we found a treasure map at our campsite. It was rolled up in a tree, and there's tons of steps on it. We've already done steps 1 through 3, and so the first step, we had to go to this dumpster over here and find a piece of paper. Then we had to go over the restrooms. We got another piece of paper. All right, that's step 2. Oh wait, no, we've done steps 1 through 3, not 3. We're going to 3 now, and on the map it says step 3, and there's an arrow to this thing down here, and it's all the way at the end of this room. So when I go down there, I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, guys, we're here, and so we're out where the arrow said, and we took all these signs around here, and so you see these leaves, and so all the clues have been written on cardboard. Jesse, give the honors. It was in the leaves. And we found another one over there in the median. It was camouflage.
So camouflage.
Says, there is a gravel rock where opportunity knocks. Ooh. I don't.
I don't know.
And then there's another one over there, but that's for another one. It says go around 4 times or something. Oh, okay. I'm gonna try to mark out that question.
Go left, go right, and we figured out this.
There's one that says 4 score.
Trash.
Bro, you need that.
Oh, go left, go right.
Go left, go right. All right, guys. So we're here, and we're about to go to number 4, and we know where it is. The volleyball court. This is 4 score. But on our way there, we were reading 5, and it said, if things go wrong, it'll light the sky. We're passing by here, and bam, we see a piece of cardboard sticking out of this authorized vehicles only sign. All right,
What's
guys,
back there, though?
I don't know. Voltages.
Oh.
Voltage.
Don't let the main power
Don't let the middle out of your sight. That's a good clue.
Desmond, you found that one. Good job.
Yeah. We got all the clues pieced up. We're gonna go find the treasure. Okay, so it says follow all the signs to get it all. Keep your senses, don't hit the wall. Go left, go right. Don't let the middle out of your sight. There is gravel, there is rocks where opportunity knocks. Rocks of 4, maybe 5. Lead you to the tunnel. Best day of your lives. They're gone.
Oh my gosh. Oh, Desmond, look.
Tell me it's recording.
It is.
How much stuff does it have in?
There's coins, there's money.
Here, open it up here.
Pour it up.
Oh my god, that is a crap lot of money.
What is
That
it?
is dollar coins.
$8 coins?
Holy crap.
1, 2.
Something $20. 1, 2, 3,
Don't spill them.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh.
9, 10.
I did that one.
I got 12.
Okay, how much do I have? 1.
Oh,
No! That was mine.
It's an equal split, right, guys?
Yeah, but Desmond just lost one of the coins.
1,
Good job.
2, 3, 4.